all know what happens on Tuesdays. It's chaos time. What kind of chaos? Very chaos. You know when I made just my own avatar system for no damn reason, but I just want to. And also because why not? Why not? Welcome everyone to VR Tuesdays, the show where I make my own avatar system and my own damn webcam for no reason. But mostly because I want to, and also because it's fun. It's fun to learn about these are interfaces and Unity, Unity and inspectors and crap. How y'all doing tonight? I hope y'all doing pretty good. I'm doing personally fine, I think. Yeah, sorry there was a little situation called no stream last Sunday because I kind of went sick. Hey, damn! 15 months! Thank you for the resub! Oh, what that do? Also 15 months. Thank you for the resub! Welcome back to the Game Dev Verbs! Wrong button. Game Dev Verbs! Also, I drink that. Damn it. Also, I played the thing in the wrong thing. Dang it, I want to put my controller in this, not this. I can't reach my controller. Getting to the highlight in just a second. Yoink. Perfect. Yeah, I had to use an extended cord because for some reason the Bluetooth does not want to fucking work. Now the little pets. Happy Anyway, hi night. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Morgan. Good morning, Dev. I was asleep. Did the sleepy treat you well? I hope so. I now own 4 TVs. But Jesus Christ. 4 TVs? What do you need 4 TVs for? Why? Like, you can multitask with like 3 screens. You don't need 4. Jesus. Yeah. Why? Why you do this to yourself? Okay, this demands the other avatar. And a lighter background.
I will send you to Jesus.
Messing up my buttons. Messing up my buttons. There we go, little weekly ears. It's always the ears, isn't it? Always those darn ears. Also, how they immediately at the start of the stream. Wow, it's not even been 5 minutes. Guys, it has to that quick. But why? Oh, I look so cute. Yes and no. Also, hi, mouse. What are you doing here, mouse? I run before I kill ya. Thank you. Thank you. Look! What the 17 months? Well, all the resubs today, guys. Dang! What's up, Look? How you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Doing pretty well here, actually. I'm actually excited for tomorrow. Because tomorrow is my last day of work before vacations. Let's go. Finally, some fucking long deserved vacations. Finally at my doorstep. It's not a treat stream. But still. Currently shunning hunting on Pokemon so far. Oh, no shot yet. Good fucking luck. I've heard like on some Pokemon versions, I don't know which one is, if it's the older ones or the new ones, the chance of getting a shiny is good luck. Very damn low. Anyways. Yeah, I think I've seen, who was it? Was it Small Ant? I think it was Small Ant that did something like that. Yeah, it's stupid. Anyway, let me open up VRA SDK so I can continue working on those dang avatar menus. They're gonna be the enemy. They're literally gonna be the enemy. Yeah, both are shinies and also my thing. I guess. But hey. Something. Still opening. Fucking bring her out right here. There's the SDK. I left this. Hey, Unity. I'm definitely not looking in the mirror here. Definitely not looking in the mirror right there. It's me. Oh, big balls. And they stick the landing. Alright, well, SDK time. It's gonna be an interesting one. Oh, definitely. Yeah, that playlist is almost done, chat. Just waiting to start the actual music play. It's a flippin' 5-hour playlist, so there's actually no way there's a repeat on one stream. Alright. So, the SDK bit. So, previously on VRA Tuesdays, this, whatever this is, today, let's actually make it so it doesn't suck. So the name is freaking red. Why is it red? Also, when I type it, it's not actually typing it. That's a small problem. And also, every single restart it resets. So I need to figure out a way to actually not make it restart. Somehow. might be a bit more complicated than I thought. Because what you see here is the parameter list. So with this, it's gonna work very similar to VRC actually, where you'll have an item for your different like parameters and stuff. And then in the actual SDK, when you set up your stuff and everything, you'd have like a main menu. Like you set the menu in the parameter list and you're good. I feel that system works pretty well, so why not reuse it? If you. But I'll be talking my own stuff here. But yeah. So that's how it's supposed to work. Right now I can add elements and remove elements. But they don't really save, and I can edit those. And at least it does not reset when I add or delete. But it still needs to save within the editor, within the actual file here, the asset file. It can't just be something that it just instantiates at runtime and just doesn't have anything in it. So that needs to be modified. But what could cause this? That is the main question here. Very quickly find Visual Studio environments so I can yoink. There we go. Perfect. So what could be causing this? So it's a serialized field, which that's fine. I do wonder what would happen if I was to not initialize this. I would just create empty like this. And then the editor I want to do a little condition if this does not exist. There you go. If it does not exist, create one. So let's see what happens here. It might be empty when I first click on it. It is empty when I first click on it. So what if I set this? I go in Visual Studio. Because you do a modification and save. I just added a space just to see if it's going to refresh. It does refresh. To nothingness. So that is not good. So, because I did put some stuff when before I closed Unity, and when I opened it, there was nothing left. Have you considered back? No, thank you. Hi, Austin. How you doing? Congratulations, did we? Why? Why the devil man? No. You outsmarted my outsmarting. How dare. I mean, I'm still only bird brain when you think about it. Not that much of a bird brain, but I'm still technically one. So, yeah. I am doing good. So many things already happened at the start of this stream, it's ridiculous. Anyway, let me quickly, I need to go Google. Hey, Google. I need to see why the heck my scriptable object's not saving. You're looking at Google right now. Yeah, so I adjusted. Yeah, but I think it was on Grants, as I said. Yeah, you got a job, hired water. Yes. Okay, lock the money, jump, milky, shades on milky head. Well, you still can because no one ordered a Twitch stream yet. And if you're wondering, last time press chocolate milkshake. And also, I don't know why it's always on Tuesdays that there's a treat stream ordered. It was always on a Tuesday. The donut sticks was a Tuesday. Was it a Tuesday? I think it was a Tuesday. Probably a Tuesday. The milkshake, Tuesday again. Yeah, you're brokey. But you're about to not be brokey. That's for sure. Because you're hired water now. The heck is set dirty? There's a function that's called set dirty. What in the heck does that even mean? I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Hyrule iced tea. Well then, that's the first one in the stream. And then for the regular hydrate, that one's always first. There we go. Water. And now, because of course, we have a nice tea redeem. You know all what that means, don't you? No, you're not making me redo it because of this. Now, 1 moment of silence, please. No. No. Moment of silence, please. Refreshing.
I will send you to Jesus.
I will send you to Jesus, damn it. Get that iced tea. I swear I have PTSD knowing my last couple of cans of big cans of iced tea went bad somehow. So I always double check. That was just damn. I still don't know why like this does not just save. This does not want to save. Because usually let me try something. I'm gonna try and put this. Like before everything else. Or maybe underneath the buttons. If I do bytes used equals actually, I need to convert this, so just at least so it's visible. Austin, really? Okay, if I do like... Oh, I can't. Ah! I can do... Okay, I'm gonna do... damn it, you're gonna make me change background again, don't you, huh? This is actually the only one that just lets me E. Have good ear wiggle. E. Ear wiggles. Something that exists. For some reason. Y'all want it. Oh, why? God damn it. Why this must be a thing. Your thoughts on that shirt? Okay, enough. You get my answer about that answer. Oh god, right. I mean, I know I got bought by Junior, by a couple of friends. It cannot be stopped. It seriously cannot be stopped. Yeah, a few old fox there for you. I wish I had, but I don't. It's expensive. At least where I am. What I was thinking of. I was thinking of it. But it's pretty expensive. And also I have to decide where the heck I want my P.O. box to be. Hang on, if I quickly take a look. How expensive is it? Okay, if I did this one. List. Yeah, I know, but I do want to see because it can be a tad expensive. There's also like opening and closing days too. Gotta find one with weekends as well. That one does weekend, but what the heck is that? But also in terms of pricing as well, that's the main problem with this. Prices for Yeah, postal boxes. Like, I would need to go with at least that size. And for an entire year, it's like almost as much as like Unity Plus. It's almost as much. Oh no, never mind, because oh, never mind. I have to pay more because I live in an area that costs more. Damn. This is stupid. It's kind of expensive, so no app. Probably won't get a postal box anytime soon. You could be surprised. I could be surprised, but not right now, unfortunately. I wish, but because yeah, I would definitely love like to give the ability to my community to send me stuff if they want to. Like, that'd be very appreciated. I'd love it, of course. But yeah, just giving the opportunity for people to send me stuff if they want would be amazing. But it's expensive to get a box like that. So, yeah. And knowing I have a mortgage to pay, it's kind of complicated. Mortgage, groceries, all that kind of stuff. It's expensive. I'm barely surviving. Can you set up PO box I accept 200-pound packages? It goes by size of box. I don't think there's a weight limit, but yeah, it depends on the size of your package. If it does not fit in the box, it won't. I guess it might just be return to sender kind of thing. Can I make it equal itself? Yeah. Hey, Tony. Yeah, man, I support you. Yeah, probably right now is really figuring out that save situation. If I did a public string test equals whatever, and then here I did, here instead of this, I did this instead. That did not display in editor. It probably needs to be serialized. And will it work now? No. Yeah, way better than this weekend, don't worry. If I don't sound better, I hope I sound fucking better. But why doesn't that work? I saved that crap. Gotta go dinner. Well, alright, have a good dinner, Hazel. Grumpy, what do you mean, grumpy? I'm also a bit tired from today, alright? And also it's VR Tuesday, of course I might be a bit grumpy because nothing works. And I don't always sound grumpy, what are you talking about? But why doesn't that display now? The other one displayed earlier. Recompile. Yeah, it just doesn't want anything. Well then. That's great. It does not want to know anything about this. That's fine with the other one, but not this. Is it because it's already initialized? No, because this one was already initialized as well. If I just do this. Oh no, it is there. It's just not there. For some reason. Well, why? Yeah, it is there, but it does not exist. It's just gone. Editor GUI layout instead. How about that? There it is. There it is. Also high, but no. Thanks for the offer, but no thank you. If I do this, that saves. Now edit in the editor, save, go back, please stay. That stays, but not my other one. So indeed, these are fine. What makes it different, however? What would seal do? Because that's the only difference. Yeah, you stretch Prime subscribers treat stream. Yes, also Black Arada, you didn't ban it before me. What does that keyword do? Well, Google time. Sharp sealed. What does that do? It tells the compiler that the class is sealed and therefore cannot be extended, aka be inherited. Interesting. That does not help me though. Because both are serialized. I have no clue why it didn't save. Maybe because there's some things in there that do not want to be saved. Because it's an abstract class. Why would it do that? I need kind of a way to like save it within here, but I can't. This is very curious. Stuff is falling over here. Okay, Unity time. Unity. Just a class. Should everything you think is serializable? Is everything in there serializable? No. Maybe I'm just stupid, you know. Maybe I'm just stupid. As with everything in life. I'm gonna add this, 2 of them. Set 1 to float, uncheck this. I still can't type that for some reason. I hope it works. I honestly don't think it's gonna work. You see this? The moment I pop out of the editor, I fucking want to see that thing work. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Shit. It's not working. Why is it not working? I am dying. I wonder if it's because it's abstract class. There doesn't. The wood issue. And then most likely, like with a string, it's fine. This is a very extremely, I really hope I can figure this out kind of situation. I wonder if it's the private set that's messing it up. But I'm not sure because like the whole array gets erased. And this whole thing gets just gone. Everything's not fine in my dining room. Well, why? I'll try to remove it. And just do like this. I'll see if this potentially works. And I'm just saying directly the variables. Gotta go into some chat. Well then, have a good stream. Add elements. Like this can work. I still can't type in the parameter field though. Ah, because it needs to be editor generated out, yeah. So I can type in it. Save both of these. And still delete it. Well, dang. That's just now I can type it. And invert it. But the moment I go in here and do a code change, goodbye. Why? Just why? A little frustrating, not gonna lie. It's like the one thing that's like completely bugging the system down now. I'm gonna spend the entire stream trying to debug this. I'm gonna lose my mind. I don't have anything to eat. Do I have a snack in my hand fridge? Of course I do. Why would I not be a bird brain here? Dang it. Why would I do this? It certainly cannot be because it's abstract. I refuse to believe it's because it's abstract. Hey, so... I'm getting furious here. I'm going crazy. These things. That list. Not this one. This one. That's what I want to save. Look at this crappy behavior here. Add elements. I can type here, type here, change this, change that. That's fine. But the moment I go in and change the code or whatever. Why? It's stupid. I guess Tony said, hey, you're not you when you're hungry. Here, have puffballs. I guess how it works. Just still. Damn it. Ah! I swear the microwave's killing me every single damn time. I'm still just dying over here, just waiting that sweet motherfuckers are not working. Let me quickly open up my checker for snacks. Well then, anyway, back to absolute madness that is this, this. So, yeah. What else we see? Yeah, I don't know why the chicken, when I first put it in, it actually was not closed at the time I streamed. Like when I initially made it months ago, it was not closed at this time. I don't know why they decided to close earlier now. Like, I'm not that dumb, Tony, but I literally just noticed that they closed later now. But before they closed, fine. No need to tap on my little hands here. I am smart. Yeah, it closed. No, I said it closed later. In the past, it closed later. That's what I said. No, if it closed earlier, it does not work either, because then it just means it closes earlier, even long before my stream. It needs to close later, so that it's still open when the stream starts. That's called math. Alright, back to absolute madness that is this goddamn SDK. Still need to look it up. Look it up, actually test something. I still don't believe it's the I don't believe it's the abstract thing. I don't want to believe it's the abstract messing it up. I mean, if I don't make it abstract, then it's gonna completely mess up. That's the thing. But I want to test. If I do quickly, just for fun, I'm gonna make just a test here. Remove the abstract. I'm gonna remove those functions as well. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep them. Not just these, I'm gonna remove. And a constructor. Okay, it needs that. That's right, okay. Move this. Nope. Let's. This. Okay, so this is not abstract now. It's just an interface. It's the exact same thing, but just an interface without the constructor. So if I do parameter-based test, and now here, I just have to replace this with test. And if I just do this, and then just thing it. Okay, so now this should just be a base parameter thing. So because compiler is on target. Oh, dang it. Oh, there you go. Element. Alright. I'm gonna add these. Let's see if I edit code. Alright. Let's see if it does anything in the editor. Okay. It still deletes. That is not reassuring. What if I just went and removed iPad Manager altogether? Besides just these. And who goddamn cares about these now? Adding the same parameters here. Hopefully. Okay. There's really something wrong here. That is weird. That's actually very strange. I think with Product Flight, I've been able to actually do classes like that. But, what? Eh? That is so damn strange. Okay, now I am actually dead curious. Damn, I don't have access to Product Flight yet. Why isn't parsing? Oh, right, because I have. Okay. Okay, let me open up another instance of Visual Studio and let me go check the scriptable object I done there. Because these are all scriptable objects. I'm literally just looking for any sign of custom name. I actually don't see anything. Float, 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 end, string. There's nothing custom about this. I'm not trying to implement a custom class or whatever. It seems like all of them are sealed. Not that one, however. That one's a struct. There is also a struct. Okay, never mind. So in Product Flight, I guess I did not do any kind of custom object. Versus here, where I have a custom list. Did I even? No, I don't think I've done a list even. Okay, now I have to see. now I have to test. Hang on. Standardized field. And if I just do no bubbly. Avatar menus dot parameters dot parameter based test crap. If I just do a test parameter like that, I'm gonna remove this code for now, and I'm just gonna run it once for that test parameter. That. I'm just gonna run it like that. Just one of them. Not abstract, not an interface. No reference exception yet. Well, back to here I go. Right, because it's null to start with. So if it's null, then create one. Alright, so it is here. I'm gonna quickly change everything. Now this is just the test parameter. Hopefully, I absolutely swear, there is definitely something wrong here. There's something I'm not doing right here. Because this should work. But it ain't working. It seems to always reset. Why? Oh, why? I'll have to try another solution then. What if I do that class within the avatar menu parameter? That way I can have that list. And somehow I can cast it into the avatar menu properties. Would that work, or would that be too complicated? Because I am absolutely going mad. Mad mode activated. So it's mostly these three that I need. Let's see, if I do... But there's also primary time. But that's an enum. That should not be problematic, I think. I don't think anyway. Yeah, this is an enum. That should not be not saved. So I've got a sealed parameter. What if I do a public sealed parameter? And now over here, new sealed parameter. Hey, that works. So this parameter that's good. And over here, that should still be the same. Okay, in editor. It's fine. Whatever, bam, bam. Code. One change. Save back to editor. Please don't fucking erase it. Okay, that saved it. Now it's good. Okay, now let's start. Next step, because now this is saved. Now that works. I'm not touching this. So we got a parameter, we got a type, we got saved. We also need default value too. Aw, man, poor Junior. So in the seal parameter, I'm also going to do another serialized field. Public float default value. And that, depending on which type of parameter it is, using the inspector code, I can actually change how this is displayed. So if it's bool, then it display the field as a checkmark. If it's an int, I only allow to enter numbers, just integer numbers. And if it's a float, then I can allow to enter a float. Okay. But now the big question, what happens if I take this sealed parameter and I make it a list? This needs to work. If this does not work, I die. I'm gonna absolutely die. So test parameter. And I'm gonna also, yeah, I'm gonna comment this now. Comment this and uncomment this bit. Nope. There we go. So now I want to edit the test parameter instead. So now the list is going to be the test parameter. This should not display anything right now. If I add elements, nothing happens. I am good at programming. Because this should be test parameter, that's why. Oh damn, well. If it did not save, this should be empty. So I think it works. So let's say first save, not save, whatever. This was an int, this one's a float, whatever, this was a code, echoed, save back to Unity. Let's go, it's still there. Okay, so I'm not touching anything more. Okay, so it seems like the problem is when it's done outside of the actual thing. It's a small problem, isn't it? With how my code is done. So would that mean I need to do the abstract portion, like the whole code for it, inside the scriptable object? That could be it. Because I've got the interface to interact with, but I've got nothing to save it. So what I would need to do because now I have this here that works. This seal parameter that works. Yeah. I can't do it via the editor script. I have to do it via this. Because when the scriptable object is created, I need to have a function to initiate the parameters inside the actual list of parameters here. Which I'm actually going to remove this. I don't need the test anymore. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna call this casting param. Because I'm gonna actually use this to cast into the actual menu parameters there. Somehow. Because yeah, right now I'm editing only that sealed parameter. But I did not edit this yet. So I need to initiate that. So I'm gonna make a function in there called init. And that would actually initiate the actual parameters object, what's actually going to be read by the game. So what I'll do is that parameters, not double, built it, no. No. I'm gonna kill that shortcut so bad. I hate it. Why? I don't need it for you need to eat. As I was saying, parameters. I'm gonna create a new set to actually initiate it. And now for every single casting param, so parameters, actually then I can potentially just put back the where is it? In here. I can put back the get private set. That I had initially. But these are serialized now. So parameter name will be, well, casting param. Parameter name. Oh, I. Yeah, E in French, well, is the letter I. Gotta get a new. I don't think I can do that, no, because yeah, this is, I can't actually just create an abstract class like that. So I need to set it the correct type. How would I do it though? It's gonna be a switch of the parameter type. In the case of a bool, how do I do this? And in case of default too, I guess. And I'm gonna cast this as Can I just no, I can't. Okay. I'm just gonna do parameter bool. So default, and that's gonna be this case int. I want parameter int and case float. So now I'm saying the type like this, which is mine. This is fine. Should be perfectly fine. Still on the lookout for those puff balls that Tony ordered. I love those puff balls. That's about the name. Yeah, so just because this is a method, right, because this is a method, I need to just put in here the new name. So name is gonna be this. Yeah, that should work. And then set parameter. Actually, no, I have a set parameter type here. Oh no, but set parameter type, that's to actually like inside the parameter. Right, that's just like a reference to like what the type is. So that should be parameter type. Stop adding stuff I do what you add. Set save behavior. My hands are freezing, that's probably why. Hydrate. Yeah. Hydrate. Thanks for the reminder. That saved. And do I have a function to set the default value? Set default. Exactly what I need. Set default. To casting parameter A. Default value. There we go. Now the default value is also set. Is there an initiation thing? When I set default, Then I want to reset the value. That's what I want. Reset the value. That way it is set to default. Actually, how would I know if it's saved? Because saved, that will need to be set to via a save state somewhere. But that ain't done through that script. Doesn't feel like it would be done by that script. Where would I save it anyway? So for now, I'm just gonna reset the value. As long as it works. So I'm doing it for every single parameter, honestly. Because these are just like some values, it's not like actually, example, updating a mesh every single frame. Like updating every single point of a mesh every single frame. Because I'm not doing that, that's perfectly fine. Like if there was like 500 parameters, it would still be fine. This is just like the initiation code. And it's literally just setting stuff. And to protect code for what I'm gonna do most probably, by the way, I'm gonna actually build like everything else as DLL. Like pretty much everything as DLL, I think. Just to protect stuff. So similar to what VRChat does. But I'll see. Because I want to keep this as open as possible, but who knows what's gonna happen. This is still like a very peculiar project. So now after these are casted and everything, after these are all set, casting parameters are set. I want to call initialize. So now, in theory, daggone. What did I modify for them to be on? Oh, right, because I added set default, so that completely reset the whole thing to bits. So hopefully I don't have to add anything more to the thing. But I'm also gonna have to test. Add, for example, one int, one float, saved and whatever saved. Test of whatever. Code. Save, return in editor. And that is still fine. Okay, what happens if I close the editor and reopen it? What's gonna happen? I hope the values are still gonna be there. I hope. That's the goal. If the values are not there, that's gonna be an F. But knowing how I saved the code and it did not go, it should probably stay. Alright, know the truth. I'm gonna click it. I wanna see test oof bird. Which is a bool, an int, a float, and a not save, saved. You look. So the list gets reset. Boy. So close yet so far. That's actually going out in this little crap. And that one's saved. I am confused. So within the editor, it stays. You save the code, it stays. You exit the editor, you come back, it's gone. What if that's deprecate? Scriptable object set 30 is obsolete. That's new. It's editor utility. I gotta do it via the editor. But isn't editors... Because that's an editor script. Sealed permit to protect. No. Oh, hey, Floof! Hey! Welcome, beans. Yes, beans. Yeah, beans. And I'm going to get some very puffball beans pretty soon. With my Twitch stream. How you doing? Long time no see. Hello. Hi. You came back from the dead. How dare you die on me? Please stop dying. This is an order. Man, it's been a while since I've seen you. Gee, wow. No, your feet. You always rise from the ashes at the most unexpected times. I guess that works. Yeah, that works, but Yeah, apart from that, how you doing? I really hope you're doing good today. Find a sweet mother goddess that not this. Ah, right. I have to put it out there. Shit. Ooh. This is like the third time in the stream I do this. God damn it, why do y'all want me to earwiggle? It's literally the third time people help. I'm definitely the helpless attack. I have fallen. And I can't get up. Oh God. Oh God, Sharon, please don't escape my grave. This. Yeah. I'm dead. Please stop this madness. My poor neck. My neck is gonna snap in half. Why am I still doing this? I thought I had a time limit. I thought I put a time limit. I thought I put a time limit on it. And I don't why. And I cannot go now. Can I please code? Thank you. What do you mean, no lol? I need to figure out this site. Set the only channel for unseen on. Yeah, hopefully that works because I'm actually sick of thing disappear every single damn time. At 2 of them, more like a flat beat. Yeah, but. Yes. Hang on a second. I don't have have access to my... Uh-oh. I don't have access to... Oh, there it is, okay. Okay, my door cam kind of disappeared for a second. I have to check the door because I haven't restreamed that. Should arrive anytime soon, but I don't know when. So, do that, save, go back in the editor. Hope it's still there. It is still there. Okay. Now the true test is if I close this, because now it's set to be dirty. If I close Unity and I go back in it, will I see the I hope I see the variables. Because else, yeah, I'll be a pissed bird. I will be pissed if this is not showing. Okay. It saved. It actually saved. It actually saved. It actually saved. Just to be sure it's not a fluke. Just to be sure it's not a fluke. And reopen it again. Oh, hang on, my treat arrived. There, my treat arrived. I will be here, be quick. Ladies and gentlemen, the puffballs have landed. The puffballs have landed. Well, time for the usual photo time. Proof it's there. Hang on. My camera is not ready for my studio is still a goddamn mess. As per damn usual. Until I I had this time to actually finish up those things. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit problematic. Hopefully is there a napkin included? Yeah, no napkins. Right, the poofy bows. Hang on a second. Woohoo! Oh wow, they look absolutely delicious. Just like last time. Oh, believe me, I'm doing a sugar rush tonight. Alright, where's the photo? There you go, getting the photo ready. here. So I can have a little photo to show y'all what I get. What Tony got me. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Yeah, check these out. Boofy balls. Absolutely delicious. So one side is like white chocolate and milk chocolate. Yeah, a bit of dark chocolate. The other side is cookies and cream. Yes, it's messy. That's why there's like 2 sticks to actually poke them. Poke and yet. Just eat them. And yes, this is the LTT screwdriver. Absolutely delicious bows. Alright, time to eat one. Bon appetit, I guess. God damn delicious. I love these things. I know what I want. What are bad manners, huh? Bad burn. The worst burn. Probably the worst burn ever. Watch a stream where you don't have an annoying bird to talk to you. Sugar rush incoming. The rush I need for my final day of work before my holidays tomorrow. But let's check if it was a fluke or not. Oh yeah, it's not a fluke. It actually works. Set 30 works. Well, I guess my I guess now my whole webcam is kinda dirty now. Not my problem. I had to do this. So the solution to actually save properly. Wrong button. The solution was to set it dirty. With this line. And the cookies and cream ones are kind of harder to bite. So that was a solution. I do wonder, now that set 30 is actually the solution. Do I even need the casting like that? But I know this works. This would work by itself. But if I could remove a redundant parameter like this, that would save us time. Because I still do have that list that I can use. I wonder. I could remove the initiation. Let's see if it would still work. That is dirty. Let's see if that actually works. And I can also add... I can only get to default. I can only set it. Hang on. I need something to get a default to. But hang on, while I do this and eat another puffball. Go get default. Oh shit. Ah, it's the whole thing, I think. If I did this, that would clear this potentially. No, because I forgot to save something. I forgot to save this. Activity, and that should clear because there's a new thing in town. Out of range. Well, shit. What is out of range? Ah, right, because this. Let me add. Nope. That glitched out again. And that's right. I need to add it here as well. Are you there? Okay. Because I'm curious, would it actually work? Code, save. We're clear. Even at set 30. Yes. Okay, so I have to keep the seal one. So I do have to keep as sealed. I'm gonna have to keep the seal one. However, I'm still gonna set the default value. However. But G-star with these ends. Ah, because that goes here. Default value is a float. I do want to. That's this. There we go. Now that's correct. So casting parameters are still going to be set correctly. Alright, and back in the editor. Now this should also still display the other one. Yeah, so it does save, which is amazing. Because it's a dirty one, it saves. So I'm going to have to do a cleanup on the floor after this. I'll do cream for the puffballs. Those puffballs are really delicious. Thanks, Stony. Or the other one. Okay. Right, so it seems here, it is yummy, it is very yummy, yes. Yeah, I wonder, what would it look like in debug? Yeah, in debug, you can see those are set correctly. And default is this. If I set this to 0 and go back in normal, you see this is now actually 0. Actually, I have another one there. Ah, yeah, this one also. If I set to 0, there you go. Default is set back to 0. Amazing stuff. Everything is working as expected now. It's nice. Really, really nice. Good news. I'll take a puffball for that one. I do wonder though. I do wonder. First off, why the heck did I save this? There. I know some people, especially like in VR chat, sometimes they would duplicate the parameters to get like a separate set. Example, like they want to back up their parameters for when, example, they add what is it? What's the name? I forgot. Is it VRC Cam? VRC lens. Example, you add VRC lens, but you want the backup of your parameters because it needs to add the parameters. You take this, do Control D, and it will duplicate the parameter list into another object. If I do this, would the parameters duplicate? Thank God it does. It actually does. That's dope. If I remove elements here, and I set like a completely different name with different values here and there. Just another one, because why not? Close the editor, so parameter should be the longer one, and the one should be correct as well. The regular parameter is going to have a couple parameters, and then the duplicate one should only have like 3 or 4. I don't remember how many I put in there, but yeah, that's called testing, as you can see. Testing to see if the system actually works. Because this should work. It does! Alright! Alright, well, taking your puffballs for that one. Very nice. Okay, I guess I did not put any name before, so. Well then. Shout out to me, my Steve. Anyway, so that works. That's dope. Now, oh, hey, look, the mirror works now. The mirror's fixed. Let's go. Mirror dweller activate. Hey, you want mirrors? Oh, you want mirrors? All right, I give you mirror. Like while stuffing your face with puffballs, I can't quit at any time. I know. Give me the sugar rush. Don't worry, I still eat pretty healthy. Off stream, don't worry. Alright, so yeah, these work. Very nice. So now it's just a question of, like, now that the saving has been taken care of, now it's a question of making it look good and also have some information displayed too. And some labels. So to make it look good, that's going to be a bit challenging, of course. Let's first remove in the code the test stuff. So I don't want to display that test. That was a test, that was a test. But I'm gonna keep them for debug. Snow and sandals do not mix. What do you mean snow and sandals? Yeah, that must not be comfortable for your feetsies. Could I do a up and down button next to each parameter set? You can reorder them. I guess, the reorder for these don't matter. It's gonna be the menus that will matter, so I won't do that just yet. But at least for the default value, that's gonna have to change depending on what type it is. So if it's a bool, I want this. So I'm gonna do a switch of the parameter type.
Maybe it's loud.
In case it's a bool, I want to do this. It's going to depend on multiple factors, but how to do a number field, because I specifically need a number field for the last two. One that only allows ints, and the other one that only allows floats. Unity custom inspector number fields. Well, yeah, it's, well, pretty obvious, actually. Int view. And that takes the value. Can it take a label, however? Okay. I wonder if there's also the same for float. So edit to your layout. Okay, there is a toggle editor to your layout, so I'm gonna do that. Float field, delayed float field. Interesting. Float field. Okay, so now, if you look at the editor quick, right now, you're gonna see that every single default is a checkmark. Because that's not being tested. But the moment I save this script, you're gonna notice that all of them are gonna change to their proper field. Or they should. Yeah, they do. And they can be edited even though it looks weird for some reason. But you can see a float here I can type with a decimal. The int here I can type numbers, but I can't type the dot for a decimal, neither a comma, and I can't type letter in any of those. Okay, I can type A for some reason here, I guess F as well. I guess I can do like a chart thing or whatever. And then a bool is gonna be not displayed. Great. But at least the check is working. So this is staying in GUI layout. But the rest is not super working well. Is there a reset for this? I'm not sure. How does that get up? I'm gonna reset the skin. Nope, they now work. Is that way to reset that skin? Okay, I might have somewhere else with this. I'm gonna have to find a way to actually edit, check the badges and stuff. Okay, how am I actually applying this? Yeah, I'll see if I just type text field in the style little thing. I can't use this. I see, because the default here is not a label. It's actually a style, which messes up with the rest. Yeah, that's why. Okay, I see now. Okay. So many questions and 2 puffballs to finish. Oh god. they're actually getting pretty dang hard now because they're cooling off. You just realized, Blacko. That's been there since the start of the damn channel. Yep, you always die, Blacko. That's not super funny. This is like this 5th time in this stream, I think. 4th or 5th. Let's see. Yeah, that's the 5th time. Yeah, no problem. I definitely don't see a problem with this. The burp's definitely not getting abused here. What do you mean? That ain't funny. That burp's just getting abused. Well, there we go, I guess. Hey, the music stopped. Ah. There's the music. There you go, Black Cat. You got your 5th time. Are you happy now? Damn it. Boy. Jesus, 5 times. Damn. God damn. I'm dying here. My neck is dying. I might eat my last puff bowl. Just finish eating my last puffball. It's just drinks now. Now. No. Alright, I've left his hydration now. Okay, so now the thing is, I need to fix that layout a little bit. As you can see, it's like kind of disorganized right now. I would like to have like label, or like very crudely the field, then right next to it a small field or the check mark. Oh no, that's gonna be after. So that, then a drop down, then the default, and then the save check mark. And hide HT. Yes, thank you. Man, I did not hydrate in the middle of those puffballs. No hydration was taken. It was just 12 puffballs, no hydration. Kill me. If I do begin horizontal, what would happen? This, apparently. That does not look good. Oops. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take a big horizontal layer. Oh, they reduced to. Oh, I did 2 big horizontal. I did 2 and horizontal. Actually, it fucking works. Okay, just doing a big horizontal and horizontal just works. Okay. Literally, the only thing I changed is this. From big and vertical to big and horizontal and horizontal. But Mr. Give a hug. Why? Why do you do this? This is the 6th one in this stream. Why? It is 6 times in 3 hours. Are you serious, guys? Are you serious? It's the 6th time I'm doing this. I'll still give it to you though, because you did. And you said, can you stop stopping for 1 second? Get a little tired of this. Not gonna lie. I am tired. Anyway, so literally the only thing I changed was big and vertical and end vertical to big and horizontal and horizontal. That's the only thing I changed. However, that was the 6th one. Still, my boy neck. But see, the problem right now is that it's kind of wide. But why though? And also I feel like it's missing something. Oh, it's the problem. I'm gonna go and remove this bit. That should work, potentially. Okay, it did work. But now I need to set the set width of this. Because it's not staying like that. I need to check, do I know? Because I know I can use the GUI style thing to actually adjust this. I need to check. Yeah, then honestly, that's what I'm immediately gonna do after the stream ends. I'm immediately putting a cooldown on this, because this is the first time the wiggly ears got fucking abused. First time. Yeah, that's what, like, I made it expensive for a damn goddamn reason. It's still getting abused. Ah! Shit! Please spare me. Just please, for 5 fucking hours, please spare me. Please. Anyway, I need to get... No, don't do it. Space. How do you mean I'm horrible? What do you mean I'm harmless? I could kill someone if I wanted to. I won't because it's illegal, but I could do it. That's a threat. So please do not spam it. I still have moderation powers over this channel. I need to modify the... Yeah, not only you kill my name, but you also kill Blackout in the process. I mean, I can hurt a fly, that's no problem. I can hurt much more than that. Okay, don't need that anymore. I'm gonna need to set padding, however. How can I set padding? I wanna see if I can set it. No, would it be Betty? I don't think. Oh, wait, shit, you actually did redeem it again. Why you do this to me? Why? Please fucking stop. Just stop it already. It's annoying as why? Even if you could do it again, I disable it. For my neck's sake and for Blackout's sake, I disabled it for the rest of this stream. I'm sorry, but this is... Damn it. Title of the VOD. Mike just does the 30 minutes of cuteness overload because his community demands it. At this point, that's gonna be the entire name of the VOD. This shirt really has so much fucking impact in the community. This is oh god. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you after this stream. He's the one that started it. And now no one's stopping it. I can't stop it either. Why? Why? Why do you have to create that damn quote? And damn, why did actually no. The real guilty person here is Dev. You're the one that chose the combination. You're the one that chose to merge my sad face with that quote. You're the one that started this. There's no excuse. There is no excuse. Look at what my damn reputation is right now. As a damn bottom. Because of a damn joke of a shirt. I'll drink this can of iced tea because fuck me. Probably out of that Homer. What Homer? What Homer? Never mind, what are you talking about? So I don't think I'll have much time to actually edit the code without those, wiggly or cuteness that make me lose time today. But at least the good thing is the damn UI works. That damn thing works. I can remove elements, I can add elements, I can set the types, I can say if it's saved or not, I can set a default value. If it's int, I can just type numbers, no dots. If it's a float, I can add dots for the decimals. And if it's a bool, then it's a bool. So, yeah, bigger progress. I'll take this as an absolute win. It works. It actually worked. It might not be pretty right now, but it works. Ah, good old little hydration. The little hydrate that does the win. If that even makes sense. Oh boy, but now it's actually gonna be the end of the stream, unfortunately. So, yeah, no more really time to do anything tonight. And also, where the heck is my background? Right, because the lighting works best with this background for this avatar for some reason. I broke. Good. Back to this. And back to an avatar that can actually look good on this background. Hey. It actually, I'm actually super happy that this system works. So, next time, I guess, I could make it look pretty, but I think the main focus right now, that the scriptable object itself works, I want to actually make the actual menu system itself now. So actually code in the menu scriptable object with that new knowledge, with the editor as well. It's pretty much like a copy-paste almost, but just change how the menus display, just change parameters to menus. And then be able to assign that menu to an avatar. And then, after that, add it to the avatar settings, for which, when the game is launched, those menus should be interactable using a test UI or something, and then it should affect the avatar. That's the ultimate goal. Once that works, it's time to make it pretty. But yeah, with a new knowledge, man, I'm learning so much doing this. It's where that UI stuff like that, like editor UI, I mean. So yeah, it's a learning experience for me. And in terms of the webcam as well, I should mention that I am currently in the process of swapping the code behind so that it does not use OpenVR. Like, it's gonna use OpenVR for the tracking, but it's not very directly in the webcam itself. So it should improve performance, and it should not affect OpenXR apps. But it's still work in progress. But until next week, well, let's go see who to raid. So who is there for a big ol' raid now? Raid. Well, not much people, but let's go say hi to Dream. Why not? Oh well. And don't forget, just quack in the chat. And until Friday, look at my Twitter. I'm gonna have an announcement in my Discord too. Because Friday is Christmas special in collab with Sparrow. But until then, stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. See ya, peeps!